Did you know that one simple spice sitting in your kitchen could reduce inflammation, boost your immunity, and even protect your brain? Welcome back to Health Encyclopedia. Today, we're diving into the powerful health benefits of turmeric. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at this golden spice the same way again. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and watch till the end, because we're sharing how turmeric can truly change your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on natural health tips that actually work. What makes turmeric so powerful? Turmeric has been used for over 4,000 years in ancient medicine. Its real magic lies in a compound called curcumin, a natural chemical with powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. But here's the catch. Your body can't absorb curcumin easily on its own. That's why we'll also talk about how to boost its absorption naturally later in the video. Benefits that will blow your mind. So, why is everyone from doctors to health coaches talking about turmeric? Reduces inflammation. Great for joint pain and arthritis. Fights oxidative stress, which means it protects your cells from aging. Boosts brain function. Curcumin can increase levels of BDNF, a brain hormone that improves memory and focus. Supports heart health by improving blood flow and lowering bad cholesterol. May help prevent cancer. Studies show curcumin affects tumor growth, improves gut health. It balances gut bacteria and reduces bloating. Pretty amazing for one little spice, right? What's the best way to take turmeric? You can take turmeric in several forms: powder, capsules, gummies, liquid drops, or even tea. But here's what to look for when buying a turmeric supplement. 1. At least 500 milliliters of curcuminoids per serving. 2. Must include black pepper extract, piperine. This boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. 3. Should be non-GMO, organic, and free from fillers. And always check with your doctor if you're on medication or have a medical condition. Try this turmeric tea recipe. Turmeric tea is a delicious way to enjoy the benefits. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, honey and lemon juice, optional. How to make it? 1. Boil the water. 2. Add turmeric and black pepper. 3. Stir well. 4. Add honey and lemon if you like. 5. Drink it warm, up to 2 to 3 times a day. Perfect before meals. Or try turmeric water, simple and effective. Short on time? Make turmeric water instead. Just mix 1 glass of warm water, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. Optional, honey or lemon juice. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It helps detox your body and jumpstarts digestion. Final thoughts. Why you should start today. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a natural healer that's backed by science and loved by millions around the world. Whether you're dealing with joint pain, fatigue, poor immunity, or just want to stay healthy, turmeric is a simple, affordable, and powerful solution. So, what are you waiting for? Try turmeric tea, water, or a high-quality supplement, and let your body feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more health-transforming tips. Comment below. Have you tried turmeric before? What was your experience? We read every comment and love hearing from you. Thanks for watching Health Encyclopedia. Stay healthy, stay natural. See you next time.